Number 1. Khajiar. One of the popular Dalhousie places to visit in Khajiar, surrounded by a thick cover of deodar and pine trees with the snow-capped Himalayas in the backdrop. Khajiar make up for a delightful picnic spot for friends and family, making it one of the stunning Dalhousie attractions. For best experience, you can plan a trip to Khajiar in December. The Khajiar Lake adds to the natural beauty of this little town, which is why it is one of the prominent tourist places in Dalhousie. Number 2. Dankund Peak. One of the well-known Dalhousie tourist places is Dankund Peak, which will mesmerize you completely. Often termed as the Singing Hill, Dankund Peak is one of the highly recommended and famous places in Dalhousie. One can enjoy refreshing views of the green hills, valleys and plains while they are here. But what makes it stand out is the enchanting view of the three rivers Chenab, Ravi and Beas that weave through three green billow valleys and enhance the beauty of this place manifold. Number 3. Kalatop Wildlife Reserve. Kalatop Wildlife Reserve is home to the Himalayan bear. This reserve is among the best wildlife sanctuaries in Himachal Pradesh and one of the most popular places to visit in Dalhousie. The park though has a lot more than its huge range of wild animals. The beautiful river Ravi that flows nearby and provides the park with its water supply, the blue pine, deodar and oak trees on the Kalatop hills and the wild daisies that grow here all make this park a splendid tourist spot in Dalhousie. Number 4. St. Francis Catholic Church. Established in the year 1894, this magnificent church has European architecture and decor. The church is a major tourist attraction and a popular place of worship. Its distinguishing charm is the reason it is counted among the eminent tourist places in Dalhousie. This spiritual sanctum makes for a great respite for those who have experienced all adventure-packed hubs of Dalhousie. This is one of the famous Dalhousie tourist spots for those who wish to embrace the essence of spirituality. Number 5. Panchpula. Panchpula is famous for its small yet stunning waterfalls, its glistening streams and the samadhi of the great freedom fighter Sardar Ajit Singh. Panchpula is among the most important tourist attractions in Dalhousie owing to these streams that are the main source of water supply to the town and nearby villages. Its serene and scenic hiking trails make it one of the best places to visit in Dalhousie. Number 6. Ganji Pahari. Situated in the Bakrota Hills, this peak is 1 hour walk away from Dalhousie. The hill is devoid of any sort of vegetation on its top. This barrenness gives it the name Bald Hill. The intoxicating views of the surroundings and the fresh mountain air makes the hill perfect for a trek and one of the best places to visit in Dalhousie. Number 7. Satdhara Falls. Located on the Panchpula route, the Satdhara Falls is a great example of the nature's artwork. The water in these falls is said to have medicinal and healing properties, which is why this picturesque blend of 7 streams is a great spot for rejuvenation and relaxation and is among the must-visit places in Dalhousie. Number 8. Rang Mahal. The Rang Mahal is one of those very few historical structures in India that has the influences of both Mughal and British architecture. Along with that, its walls are adorned with a large number of vibrant wall paintings portraying the life of Lord Krishna and attracts swarms of tourists every year. It is among the significant Dalhousie sightseeing owing to its unique art and architecture. Number 9. Chamira Lake. Built over the river Ravi, Chamira Lake is an artificial lake and a part of the Chamira hydroelectric project. Among the top places to visit near Dalhousie, the lake and the dam are a major source of water supply for the surrounding villages. Apart from its scenic beauty, which includes the dense pine forests of Bhandal Valley surrounding the dam, the lake is also famous for water sports like river rafting, motorboating, canoeing and kayaking. Number 10. Mall Road. It is one of the great places to see in Dalhousie where shopaholics can hang out for buying the popular Himachal goods and foodies can gorge on knickknacks like momos. Apart from being a hub of fabulous Dalhousie goodies that one can buy, the Mall Road is among the most popular tourist places in Dalhousie owing to a special reason. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.